Hey, what's up guys? It's Ryan and Sierra.
Today we're here at Busch Gardens. We're gonna be checking out Tigris. It just opened within the past 2 weeks. We both haven't ridden it yet. We're super excited. All right, let's go check it out. So we went in line to get on the ride and it went down. We're not gonna ride right now. We're gonna get food and then we're gonna ride.
We had the GoPro ready. It's gonna be too dark now by the time it gets back up and running. So might have to skip that part.
If the footage looks bad, it's not our fault.
We tried.
We tried to go on before the sun went down, so we're sorry. Okay, we just rode Sheikro. We couldn't take you because it's really dark. We're gonna go ride Tigris. We're gonna try.
Take two.
And Ryan's gonna try to get some footage on the GoPro, but it's so dark now. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna keep this quick because there's a lot of music playing that we're gonna get copyrighted for, but we just rode Tigris. We got a little bit of footage, as you probably just saw. It was actually more intense than I thought personally.
Pretty intense.
The harness like doesn't hold you in, so you just kind of like float the whole time. And I was actually a little bit stressed, but we're probably gonna ride it again. What did you think?
No, I felt the same way. It was actually, yeah, way more intense than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like kind of more like a kid ride, like kind of up there with like Cobra's Curse. Actually more intense than Cheetah Hunt, I think.
Yeah, no, I agree. I think it was a little bit intense.
Yeah, but
I wasn't prepared, I think.
No, yeah, exactly.
We just filmed our first reaction because we thought that was exciting. I look so stressed when it goes up and I like push against the harness because I think I can like hold on to it and it moves.
Oh, wow.
I'm like, yeah. I hate this.
So many twists and turns.
But we're gonna ride it again and we'll tell you what we think at the end because you probably can't hear us and I'm not gonna break out the mic and Kelly Clarkson's gonna ruin this with the copyright. We'll see you guys in a second. All right, so we just got done. We rode Tigris again. We didn't film it because we were feeling a little bit nauseous.
Yep.
We decided just to ride it one more time and see what it was like. It's still pretty scary. I genuinely am scared of that ride.
Yeah, I actually liked it much better the second time.
As the safety of our guests and put all bags and place them on the tables.
So, like we were saying, I personally think the ride was pretty scary. It was fun, but it was scary and not at all what I expected. I thought it was gonna be like a really chill kind of basic ride, and it turned out to be pretty frightening.
Yeah, it's pretty intense. It's a pretty intense roller coaster. We're not gonna lie to you. Definitely more fun the second time because I knew what to expect.
Yeah,
you know,
I guess that's true.
It's a lot of, you know, twists and turns, and
you can't like tell where you are when you're riding it. It's just like a lot of like spiraling.
Right.
But I will say, this is my only thing about the ride is being smaller. I feel like I was gonna fall out of the ride. Literally felt like I was like.
But that's part of the fun.
Yeah, but I just feel like I'm almost too small that like nothing touched me and I was like floating too much. Like my head was like coming out of the thing. So if you're small, just be prepared that you gotta hold on.
Yeah, she was like 2 inches above the height thing.
Yeah, like I'm pretty much right where the height thing is. So just know that if you're going on with maybe your kids or something, make sure they're holding on. I'm sure it's fine. Like they know what they're doing. But
if they're over 5'4", they'll be fine.
We're gonna go home. We're really tired, but if you have checked out Tigris or you wanna check out Tigris, let us know down below. And I'm sure we'll be back and we'll bring you guys along next time.
All right, that's all from us. We'll see you next time.
Bye.